everybody, thanks for watching. This is our trusted IKEA Butcher Block cutting board. The name on it is actually the Aptitlig Butcher Block. It's made out of bamboo. We've had this for several years, and as you can see, it's in remarkable shape, so it really holds up over time. This is the Butcher Block, so it's a little heavier, it's a little thicker. The actual dimensions on this is 17 3/4 by 14 1/4 and 1 1/4 thick. Some of the features that we like on this, they write up in their description on the IKEA site itself. It's got this milled edge here that collects food juice in this groove. It prevents it from spilling on your worktop, and that's real nice. It's bamboo, so of course that's a renewable, fast-growing resource. You don't have to worry about hurting the plant with that, because that stuff grows like a bamboo. You can turn the chopping board. This is my lunch here. Let's put this over. You can easily turn the chopping board over because it has these angled grooves. Right here, each side is angled. Pick it up. This side does not have that milled groove, but this side does. This is typically the side we use. And they design this, like IKEA does much of the time, to work in harmony with their other products. And this can be placed over their sinks. They got 3 in particular that works the best for their Boloman, the Bread Scott, and the Findig sinks. This works real well for it. We don't have any of those, and it still works well for us. So the IKEA Aptitlig Butcher Block will set you back between $10 and $20. I think they're on a pause for making it right now, but it will come back on because it's one of their best sellers. Good for the environment, a solid, heavy cutting board that stands the test of time. So if you want to learn more about this, I'll stick a link down in the description below. Go to the Amazon equivalent for IKEA butcher boards. But if not, just know that I recommend it. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.